Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be making a birthday cake for Frenchy'S 5th birthday. Let's get started. So, I will be making a banana cake. So, first, we're gonna be smashing 2 overripe bananas. And don't forget to preheat the oven. Next, we will be putting a half cup of peanut butter. Then, we will be adding 1/3 cup of honey. Next, we will be cracking 2 eggs. This is not broken. Then, we will mix. Next, we will be adding 1½ cups of flour. Next, we will add 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. Next, we will add 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Next, we will add 3/4 cup of water. Then mix. I have here a 5-inch baking pad with parchment paper. Then we will bake this for 22 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. So while the cake is cooling down, we're going to make the icing. So I have here cream cheese. It's about 100 grams and some chilled whipped cream, 60 ml. First, we're going to whip the cream cheese to make it smooth. Then add the heavy cream. We're gonna put this in the fridge and wait for a few minutes until it's cold. And it looks a bit solid and we're gonna whip it again. So this is the consistency. So we're gonna cut the cake in half so that we can put the frosting in the middle. Now we're going to spread the frosting. So now we're done with the first layer. Now let's do the second layer. So guys, here's the result. Now we're going to sing him a happy birthday.
And Frenchy! Okay, happy birthday, Frenchy!
Happy birthday, Frenchy! Happy birthday, Frenchy! Hey, Frenchy! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Frenchy! Happy birthday!